The first of the kettlebell basics is the goblet squat, in which the kettlebell is held in front of you and your hips and knees bend equally. You're trying to keep your eyes straight ahead and your torso as upright as possible. The next movement is a two-handed deadlift in which the hips bend more than the knees. You're trying to keep your back straight by pulling your shoulders back and keep your neck in line with the rest of your spine. Next, we have the overhead press, in which you're keeping your stomach tight, glutes squeezing together, and pressing directly overhead. You'll see that my elbow pulls back slightly as I press overhead, allowing for my shoulder to move through the easiest path of movement possible, known as scaption. Lastly, we have a bent over row, in which your back remains straight as you pull your elbow up towards the ceiling and your shoulder blade towards your spine. Be sure to like and subscribe for more fitness and wellness ideas.